Does water help you to ground? A question I got from somebody. So in this video we'll be answering this, and they will be shedding the light on the different aspect of it. Because water is a wide concept and there are different ways on utilizing it. Like, subscribe and share. I got a very interesting question recently. The question was about water and grounding. And I do not remember if the question was water and grounding in general, if water helps with grounding, or drinking water helps with grounding. So I'm simply gonna answer both. Maybe that's the reason I cannot remember, because I'm supposed to explain both. So water can help with grounding when being submerged in it, when standing in it, or when it flows over us. You may be like, what? Yeah, you heard me. So, in my the one before previous apartment, my last apartment in Amsterdam, actually both apartments in Amsterdam, I did have only a shower. And it was while having long showers in general, consumed a lot of water, but hey, the Netherlands has plenty of water. I was getting my insights. I was getting clarity. I was clearing my mind, but also getting clarity on things I wanted. I was getting answers. I was also relaxing, like profound relaxation. That's why I would spend so much time in the shower, because I would really feel that things would literally flush off me, slide off me. The water was washing away whatever heaviness I was carrying around with me. So yeah, water does help to ground. It's flowing over you. And then, in 2013, I went on a healing trip to the Caribbean, the island of Curacao. And I remember the first day that we went to the beach. Of course, that was not at the seaside. We went to walk like 20 minutes or so, or take the car. And I remember when I entered the water, and I stood still here in the water. You know how the water comes and goes. It comes and it goes. Well, every time it came, I was getting energy. Every time it went, I was releasing. Like in the shower. I forgot to say, in the shower would feel energized often after a good warm shower. But here was energy coming and releasing whatever doesn't belong with me anymore. It felt so good. I was so conscious of it, like, whoa, what is happening? It was amazing. And swimming in general felt great there. Nowadays, in my current apartment, I have a bathtub. You probably heard me already say many times that I do meditate in the bath. So I do get my insights or laying down in a warm bath. I do also relax. I let go of things. I release a lot. So being submerged in water can help you ground as well. They help you clean, clear, maybe even recharge. You can add salt. You can add the crystal to absorb what you're releasing. You can add baking soda to be, that's what I'm using now, to be alkaline. So, yeah. And then there is I do consume, in average, one of these per 24 hours. I mean, I leave a tiny bit like here because energized, so I put fresh water on it. So that is close to 5 liters. I do not know what it is in gallons, but you can just Google it. That was a nice song. Yeah, that's my reminder. I'm gonna have a food round for the food bank again, and also delivering some clothes. So, actually, no, not clothes, bed sheets. So, back to this. Staying hydrated, and not just hydrated. When I say hydrated, I don't talk about drinking coffee, drinking strong tea, drinking alcohol like beer. Oh yeah, beer. When you're thirsty. Well, alcohol dehydrates. Beer contains something that next to the dehydration makes you thirsty, and that's why you keep drinking. That's why most people who drink beer drink a lot of beer, and hence they get these huge bellies. Hence the name beer belly. At least in Dutch we call it beer bag. So when I'm talking about hydration, I'm talking about simple water. Can be sparkling, can be non-sparkling. Not talking about Coca-Cola or stuff like that because full of sugar, and that doesn't really help so much with the hydration, and it also brings you a lot of calories. Talking about simple water, maybe with a tiny bit of lemon, real lemon, not some citric acid chemical crap. A very light tea, or fresh juices. And with juices, except for lemon, you need to have the full fruit, so blend it. Not just squeezing out the juice, because then you miss out on the fibers and it becomes again a sugar bomb, just like a can of Coca-Cola. Don't get me wrong, I like Coca-Cola. I don't like Pepsi, but I like Coca-Cola. But from time to time, a sip. And so does it help with grounding? Well, I can tell you, if I'm not taking good care of my body, I'm not grounded. I get all kinds of discomfort, and they get out of balance, and so on. Ungrounded. And that has to do with sleep, rest in general, the kind of food I eat, how much water I drink. Sometimes we have headaches because we simply haven't drunk enough water. Water is also helping to flush. You may say, but if I drink so much water, as you just described, I'll be running to the toilet all the time. And when I'm at work, wait, perfect. When at work, drink a lot of water. You go regularly to the bathroom, regularly you leave your desk, you have a short break of a few minutes, which helps you stay sharp, which actually gives you the possibility to have a 2-3 minute grounding. We see water is already leading to grounding indirectly, because you can do a 3-minute grounding meditation in the bathroom while taking a leak. And then you come with a clean, fresh mind back to your desk, and you suddenly see how things fit together. And when you drink a lot of water, it also helps the kidneys. Yes, they'll be working, but they'll be working more smoothly than if you drink very little and then need to push out all the toxins or they have very little water to flush it with. When it's a lot of water, it's a very easy one. It's like if you really need to scrub something clean, or you have water that goes, like when you clean the plates. You put some water then to help dissolve, and then it's very easy to clean. So drink water. And try not to drink very cold water. I know in the US it's very common to drink ice water, water with ice cubes. It's not healthy because the temperature difference is very big and it's an attack on your stomach. And then people start wondering why they have so much stomach problems later on in their lives. Well, that. So, yeah, it helps. It helps you stay in balance. There's a small chance that you can drink too much water. Yeah, maybe it depends a little bit on your size. Hey, it's like food, like what you eat, quantities. And water is also present in vegetables, fruit, so it helps. But still, I try to consume a bottle a day. During summer, I drink less if I'm eating watermelon, for example, because that contains a lot of water, and then I'm running to the bathroom every 20 minutes. That's it. It feels good. I feel fresh. Actually, in summer, I feel really good because there's so much more fruit to eat. Most of it very hydrated. Okay, the sun also helps. So, let water be part of your life. Include it. If you have any questions, simply ask. I may record a video to answer them. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and share.